Hello. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. Now, it's an extremely easy process. So, what you have to do is, you have to open your browser, then open Binance. Now, once you're in your Binance account, just simply go to the asset section, then click on overview. After that, just simply click on the withdraw section right over here. Now, once you've done that, choose the crypto that you want to send. So in this case, it's going to be Solana. So just simply click on this option and choose the Solana. So just simply type SOL and just simply choose Solana. And then the next thing that you have to do is you have to enter the address of Phantom wallet. So in order to do that, get the address from Phantom wallet. So what you have to do is just simply go to a Phantom wallet, then click on receive. Then choose what exactly you are receiving. So in this case, it's going to be Solana. So choose the Solana address, click on copy. Then paste the Solana address right over here. After that, choose the proper network right over here. Then, once you have entered the proper address, choose the proper network. And then, just simply scroll down and enter the amount that you would like to transfer. And then, all you have to do is just simply click on withdraw. And then within a few minutes or seconds, the transaction will be completed and your Solana will be transferred from your Binance to your Phantom wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.